Today we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of Photoshop, layers. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, by the end of this video you'll be a layer master. So, what are layers? Think of them as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each sheet can hold different elements like text, images, or effects, and you can move them around independently without affecting the others. In Photoshop, layers give you the power to organize your work efficiently. You can edit specific parts of your project without messing up the rest. For example, you can adjust the color of an object on one layer while keeping the text on another layer untouched. Let's start by creating a new layer. Click this little icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. It looks like a square with a plus sign. Boom! You've got a new layer. Now let's say you want to organize your layers. Just click and drag to reorder them. Easy, right? And don't forget to rename your layers. Double-click on the layer name to give it something descriptive. Trust me, this will save you tons of time, especially on complex projects. Now, let's talk about layer styles. These are effects like shadows, glows, and strokes that you can add to any layer. Just double-click on a layer, and the Layer Style menu will pop up. Here, you can add a drop shadow, which can really make your text pop. Next up, blending modes. These are super fun to play with. They change how a layer interacts with the layers beneath it. For example, Multiply darkens your image, while Screen lightens it. Experiment with these to find the perfect look for your project. Layer masks are a game changer. They let you hide or reveal parts of a layer without deleting anything. To add a mask, click the mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, grab your brush tool. White reveals, black conceals. You can also configure your brush settings depending on how you like it. This is perfect for blending images together or creating non-destructive edits. No more erasing parts of your image and wishing you could get them back. One last pro tip: Smart Objects. Convert any layer to a smart object by right-clicking and selecting Convert to Smart Object. This allows you to scale, warp, and apply filters without permanently altering the original layer. It's like having an undo button for everything. That's it for today, creatives. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future tips and tricks. And remember, mastering layers is just the beginning. There's so much more to explore in Photoshop.